Okay, hello everybody. I was here recently having a problem with my BMW. It wouldn't start. It'd crank over, wouldn't start. The fuel pump wouldn't come on, couldn't hear it. I went as far as removing the rear seat. No fuel pump sound. So I got online, started checking out other people's stuff. A lot of people were saying replace the fuel pump. A lot of people were saying it's the fuel pump relay. That is not the case. I'm going to save you guys tons of money. In most cases, I bet you money, it's just this. Okay, as I was saying, I went as far as removing my rear seat. I took off my glove box, switched over relays. I do not recommend that. I actually burned up one of the wires switching over one of the relays that were identical. So don't do that. I'm going to fix that wire. Really easy fix, but it was burning up. Your problem lies right beneath this black box. T30 socket, remove, what is it? 4 bolts. 4 T30 bolts. This comes off. Okay, once you have that off, you're going to notice you have your ECU or ECM, ABS also, DSC I believe. You got these other relays here. That's not the problem. The problem lies right here, this black box. Okay, this slides off that black box, but I recommend remove the black box completely. There are clips here and there. And here's the problem. The fuse in the middle, which is a 20 amp, I put it in the 25 there so it could work, was blowing. That was my only problem. Fuse in the middle blowing. It's got 430s, 120 in the middle. I lost the one on the left, that's why I have a 40 in there, but I'm going to go buy some now. Easy fix. Please, people, don't waste your money or your time messing with the fuel pump or the fuel pump relay. Your problem most likely lies in the middle fuse right there. That all comes out. Replace that fuse. It's most likely blown, and you're good to go. This applies to E46 cars and most likely E39 and maybe a few E36 cars. I'm not sure. But before you waste your time, replace that fuse. My car cranked over right away. Thanks.